Start 100 word. Ready. Start. This appeal arises out of a certificate issued under Article 133, read with Article 134A of the Constitution of India by the High Court of Delhi in the impugned judgment dated 4/12/2020. Full stop. The question raised in this appeal is whether a learned single judge's order refusing to condone the appellant's delay in filing an application under Section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 is an appealable order under Section 37, subsection 1, subsection C of the said act. Full stop. After considering, in particular, two judgments of this court, the High Court held, para. We have considered the rival contentions, full stop, though, as observed by us in the hearing on 5th November, 2020, we were inclined to differentiate between a case of return of an application under Section 34 on the ground of the court to which it is presented not having territorial jurisdiction, on the one hand, and rejection of an application under Section 34 on the ground of having not been filed within the prescribed time, on the other hand, but in view of the Supreme Court having been approached against Ramdas Construction Company Supra, expressly holding an appeal as the one before us, to be not maintainable under Section 37, and having dismissed the appeal with a speaking order, though not expressing any opinion on the maintainability of the appeal, we consider ourselves bound thereby and hold this appeal to be not maintainable, full stop, para. We may, however, observe that Section 37, subsection 1b also, while providing for the appealable orders, refers to Section 34 in entirety and not to Section 34, subsection 2, though BGS, SGS, SOMA, JV, Supra has held that the order which is appealable thereunder is an order testing the arbitral award on the grounds set out in Section 34. But in our humble opinion, if the intention of the legislature was to confine the appeals only to grounds under Section 34, subsection 2, nothing prevented them from, instead of referring to Section 34 generally in Section 37, subsection 1 C, referring only to Section 34, subsection 2, full stop, para. We are of the view that subsection 3 of Section 34, by use of the words but not thereafter as interpreted in Union of India versus Popular Construction Company 2001 8 SCC 470, restricts the power otherwise vested in court to condone the delay beyond 30 days, the same also creates a ground of time bar for refusing to set aside the award and is part of the self-contained code for setting aside of the award, thus, refusing to set aside an award on the ground of the said time bar, would be a refusal within the meaning of Section 37 and appealable under Section 37, full stop, para. There is also merit in the contention of Mr. Raj Sekhar Rao, advocate for the appellant, that refusal to condone the delay also entails affirmation of the underlying order, full stop. Mention in this regard may be made of Section 27 of the Limitation Act, 1963, which, though in the context of suit for possession of any property, extinguishes the right to property at the determination of the period prescribed for instituting the suit for possession thereof, full stop. However, we need not discuss further since, as aforesaid, we are bound by the dicta in BGS, SGS, Soma, JV and Ramdas Construction Company, Supra, full stop.